In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut, so just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open CapCut on your device and either create a new project or open an existing project. Now, once your project is open, add the video you want to edit to the timeline. Now, at this point, you can choose whether you want to reverse the entire video or only a specific part. Now, if you want to reverse only part of the video, this is what you need to do. Now tap on the video so it's selected. Now move the playhead to where you want the reverse to start and tap on Split at the bottom. Now move the playhead to where you want the reverse to end and tap Split again. Now you'll see the clips separated and the middle section is the part that will be reversed. Now tap on the clip you want to reverse so it's selected. Now at the bottom menu, scroll until you find the option called Reverse and tap on it. Now CapCut will start processing, and if the clip is longer, it may take a few seconds. Now once the process finishes, play the clip back and you'll see that it's fully reversed. Now if you want to reverse the entire video, just select the full clip and tap Reverse without splitting. And that's it. That's how you reverse a video in CapCut. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.